Hi. Let me just clean this up real quick. Should we move this party to the bed or real smooth? Okay. Hi. Sorry, that's not the best frame ever. Okay, this is fine. Hi, it's Monday. I've been at school most of the day and I just changed into my sweats. So now I'm just gonna relax for a couple hours, have some dinner, and after that I'm actually gonna go to my aunt's place with my cousin. Cousin, whatever. Because my aunt has a plum tree, apparently, so we're gonna go there to pick some plums, apparently. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, I'm sorry about the lighting. It might be super bad. But you know what? That's just the way it's gonna be. So me and my cousin went to go visit our aunt to pick some plums. I think plum. Yeah, it's plums. And holy shit! Holy poop! Look at all them grapes. No, not grapes. They're plums, but they kind of look like grapes because they're small. But there is a lot of them. I'm not gonna eat all of this. But I want to try to make jam out of some of them. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. I'm probably gonna vlog that. But today was a really great day. It was really nice seeing my aunt and seeing my family and all that stuff. So yeah. Good night. Hi. It's Tuesday. I spent like 3 days in a row now trying to like socialize and everything. And I have realized that I'm gonna need a day to myself now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I might actually stream tonight because I'm gonna go see my mom tomorrow. So I'm probably not gonna be able to stream tomorrow. So I might just stream tonight. I don't know. I guess we'll see. But yeah, I think I don't know. I'm just gonna try to do something productive today, but also recharge, cause I'm a tired bean. But that's fine. Okay. I'm literally so exhausted. I must be the like most introverted person on the planet. I like socializing sometimes, but I get so drained of my energy from it. I don't even know what's happening. I'm so tired. I need to go to the store, and that's basically all I have to do today in terms of like chores or whatever. That's actually not true, but I said I just cannot be bothered to go to the store, but I'm gonna do it right now. So I'm just done for the day, I guess. No one cares. I don't understand why I'm so tired. Okay, also, for some reason, I just feel like playing Sims today. So I might actually just stream me playing some Sims today. Because why not? I don't think I've ever, like, streamed just during the day for a couple hours. So that might be fun. Funny. I think I'm gonna try to change my outfit and see if that helps. Okay. Let's go. It worked. I actually feel better now. Okay, I'm gonna go live. I don't even know why. I'm gonna play some Pokemon and maybe some Sims later. It's like 12. Yeah, it's almost 12 p.m. Sure. Why not? Why the frick not? I have no idea if anyone's even gonna be there, but I kind of don't care because I just want to play some Pokemon and Sims, maybe. So. Okay, so chat wants to say hi to the vlog. So, oh, they say hi. Bagheera, hi. Lord, hi. Hey. Let's go. Hi, I just ended the stream. It was really nice and really chill, and I'm really glad I did that because I was just gonna chill all day, and I really did not want to spend an entire day just looking at TikTok in my bed. So I feel like I did something kind of productive at least, and a lot of people stopped by, which I did not expect streaming out like this hour, but yeah, it was really nice. So I appreciate everyone who stopped by, and yeah. Now, I don't even know what time it is. It's, oh my god, it's like 3 p.m. So I should probably make some dinner or something. I should probably go outside actually. Well, anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I appreciate you. That's all.
That's weird.
Good night. It's Friday. Yay. I don't know what happened yesterday. I think I literally just spent the entire day playing Animal Crossing. And I also fell asleep, or I went to bed super early. I didn't fall asleep until like 11, but I went to bed at like 9. So that was cool. Today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, so I have to get up early tomorrow to take a bus to my hometown because I'm not driving this time. So that's gonna be cool, I guess. My life is extremely exciting, as you can tell. I have classes in like half an hour, so I'm just making some breakfast right now. It's online classes, if you, yeah, didn't, whatever, okay. I did something to my hair that I haven't really done much before, but I feel like it kind of works. It's like 2 small pigtail things up there. I'll give you guys a, sorry, I'll give you guys a 360 of that. Pretty cool. Also, look how curly some parts of my hair are. Like look at this. Imagine if my entire head of hair was just like this. How cool would that be? But instead, there's like a bunch of like just flat parts. It's fine, everything's fine. Also my outfit, pretty cool. I got Spider-Man in the back. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so I know they say you can't buy happiness, but I am not joking. This, hold on. How can I even? Let me see in here, maybe. My outfit is, I don't know. I really like the messy hair. It's like kind of chaotic, but like it kind of works because the outfit is so simple. So I'm wearing skinny jeans. Actually, I actually hate skinny jeans, but it kind of works in this case. And I'm wearing like an oversized t-shirt and like my white long sleeve underneath, and my boots that make me a little bit taller, so I feel slightly more powerful. And yeah, that's the fit. And I don't know. I feel like I could kill someone in this outfit. That's a joke. I like the outfit. That's what I was gonna say. I like the outfit. Okay. Hello. It's Saturday morning. Yay! I have to take the bus in like like an hour maybe. So right now I'm just packing my bag. I really want to try to not pack too much, so I'm only bringing this backpack. So right now I got my makeup, my skincare, I got my Switch, I have some food that I have to bring. Shit, I need to bring on my plums too. How do I bring on my plums? Because my mom wanted them. I think they're already going bad, so nice ass. Hi. Oh my god, this lighting is amazing. I have like red curtains or orange curtains in my bedroom for some reason. When I'm here, sorry. I just wanted to tell you it's Sunday morning. Yesterday I just spent the day with my mom. I'm gonna celebrate my cousin's, I think it's called confirmation in English. It's like kind of a church thing, but like not in church anymore because of tradition. I don't know. It's a celebration. There's gonna be a cake. I'm excited. And I'm gonna wear my bunad, so that's gonna be cool. I'll probably show you guys a picture of my bunad if I make my mom take a picture of me. I'm tired today. And I need to socialize a lot today, so that's gonna be cool. Yay. I'm not too sure about the hair. But it works, I guess. It's just like